Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your Facebook monetization watch hour. So if you've been looking for a way to check this video is for you. So first you log into your Facebook profile or page. It's the same process, but I'm going to do this for page. So I will quickly I'll log into my Facebook page. On your left hand side here, you are going to click on Meta Business Suite. And then still on your left hand side here, if you didn't see inside here, we're locating inside. If you didn't see it here, you click on all tools and you're going to locate it from all tools, but mine is already here. You click on inside. Okay, then once you get this page will be loaded to you. Here you can see you have interaction, views, followers, and so on like that. If you check down there, but you find out that you didn't see the total watch hour of your content, you click on overview. You won't click on content, you click on overview. Okay, so you can see on the overview, you can see content overview. We have all reels, videos, live, posts, and stories. So this is your total watch hour of all your content, including reels, video, and everything. So mine is just a day, and the recommended time for Facebook page is 6,000 minutes. So if you convert that, that is 10,000 watch hour. So I still have a long journey to go, but this is how to check your Facebook watch hour with your PC or desktop. So we're going to head straightly to the phone version. I'm going to show you how to check that through your phone.
For your mobile phone, you open the Facebook application. You can either find yourself in the profile or page. So here I'm using an iPhone 11. I believe this method will work for any of the iOS and also Android. Okay, so you click on your profile icon here. Then you come to the bottom right hand corner here. You can see the green sign on it. You click on it to switch. All we're just doing is to switch to our page. You can also do that for your profile if you want. Then I'll click on this switching. Okay, so once you switch, you click on your profile icon again. Then you go to professional dashboard. Okay, once you click professional dashboard, if you've done something before, it will not show you what you're looking for. So you come down to this bottom right again on your icon. Again, you click on it. Then you're going to see professional dashboard, field quiz, and all that. Then you scroll down to Meta Business Suite. So you have to install this first, because if you click on it, if you haven't installed, it will ask you to install. You can see I've done that, so I'll just open. Okay, then I will go down to more at the bottom right hand corner here. Then I will locate insights, just the same way we've done it. Then you will navigate yourself down to where you see content. Okay, then you click on see more insights. Then you scroll down again to where you see watch time. So you can see it's the same watch hour we saw in the desktop, a day and 2 hours. So that's how to check your Facebook monetization watch hour. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and check my playlist for other important content or video you might be looking for. Bye for now.